Welcome to the section on testing. This may be the most important section in the entire course. Testing is important for a couple of different reasons. First of all, it helps to identify and eliminate bugs and crashes. It gives you a better chance of App Store approval since no app with a crash will be approved by Apple. It also helps preventing having to upload multiple builds to fix bugs. It can also catch errors or mistakes that will not be caught in App Store review, such as if you displayed the wrong web page. Next, it allows you to focus on improving your app or building your next one instead of wasting time fixing bugs and putting subsequent builds into the App Store. And finally, it also makes you a more marketable developer, as most prospective employers want developers with testing experience. Now that we see the importance of testing, how do we do it? Well, in this section I will take you through a step-by-step process that, if implemented, will eliminate most bugs, errors, and crashes. So what is the process? Well, first of all, I like to test as I code by using print statements. By printing to the console, you can ensure that you're getting the value that you want. This is a very powerful tool and it's easy to implement, and every developer should be using it. Next, error checking. By implementing error checking, you can save yourselves a lot of headaches and fix errors right away, instead of finding them later on and having to fix them. Third, one of the most powerful testing tools available to you in Xcode is UI testing. This is automated UI testing that will record your UI touches in the simulator and log any errors or crashes that need your attention. And finally, if you need to test certain functions, you can implement what's called unit tests. Okay? These test specific functions within your app and within certain classes. So, let's get started with print statements, and I'll see you in the next lesson.